Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is PompeyFX, and in this video we're going to be going over our Sunday weekly Forex outlook, all the trades that I took last week, the potential opportunities I had, the ones I missed, and also all the trades that we're going to be interested for this coming week. There are quite a lot of opportunities that presented themselves last week, and quite a number of trades that I want to talk about this week. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So last week I took two trades. I took Let me go ahead and refresh my watch list. Like I said, last week I took two trades. I took a trade on USD CHF and a trade on Euro NZD. I also took a trade on Euro GBP, but that ended up like a break even small loss kind of situation. So let me break it down. Now USD CHF, I this trade was part of the trades I spoke about on the last weekly Forex outlook, and I was explaining how this was a level of consolidation. The market had broken above and had pulled back, and we're going to be anticipating for long position off of this level. And you go over to the 4-hour time frame where I got my entry, you see that the market came back here, gave us this sort of morning star formation. I don't know what the candlestick entry confirmation that you would use, but this is a bearish candle doji, and this didn't really engulf us, more like a hammer. But this was enough bullish buying pressure for me to take my entry, stops below, target above. So it was a really clean trade. It was barely any drawdown, 1 to 3 risk to reward, clean. The next trade I took was a trade on Euro GBP. If you look over here, you can see that this market has been bullish for a while. We had this sort of left head right shoulder, break of the left neckline, retest. So I was looking for shorting opportunities. On the 4-hour, the market came here and formed this clean double top, one top, second top, engulfing. But I didn't get in over here. I waited for the break of the neckline and the retest, which I got on the 1-hour. Now, if you look over here, you can see this like evening star type of. I don't really use candlestick names. I usually go. It's easier to go for the concept of what what the candlestick is trying to explain or trying to tell you. Okay, so if someone will come and say, oh, this is not really a doji, so you can't really call this an evening star, but to me this is like a bearish pressure. Okay, this is a bullish candle, one red candle, second red candle, directly in direct succession. Okay, but I didn't really get in on this candle because the time was 7 p.m. If you look down here on the screen, it's the time was 7 p.m. when this happened, so I didn't enter here. I waited for Asian session to pass, and during the London session the next day, market came and formed this double top engulfing over here. I entered here, stop loss above, target below. Now there was news on. I entered this trade on Wednesday. There was news on Thursday. Okay. So when the news release came out, I've forgotten the news exactly, but while the news was coming out, I was out, and I was not going to be on my phone. I was on the road or something. I was doing something. So I just, this red line you see here was my stop loss. I just moved my stop loss from over here down to this point. So I was anticipating that this news would just um spike a little bit and break this level, and if you wanted to go all the way back to the upside, I didn't want to be interested in the trade, so I just like tightened my stop loss, moved it over to this level, and the market came and took me out. Now the market took me out, but it's still trading around this level. I still feel like the market is going to keep coming down. This is just some crazy consolidation of the market is going through. But I'm not even going to lie. I'm happy to be out of the trade. Like after Thursday, the market has just been um, in this like messy range, up down, up down, up down. And I prefer if you want to hit my stop loss, go ahead and hit my stop loss fast. If you want to go to my take profits. It doesn't always happen like that in the market, but that's I don't like staying in trades like just moving sideways like for days and days on ending. So it was a really small loss, maybe like not even up to 0.2% of the entire risk I took. So yeah. The next trade I took was Euro NZD. I took this trade on Friday, and this was, like I said, if you want to stop me out, you come and stop me out quickly. But yeah, all the reasons this trade had all the reasons that I'm not really upset about the trade. The market was in had moved from a bearish market high, low, lower high, lower low to a bullish market, taking out this high, coming back to an area of value of potential support, giving us an engulfing during the London session. I'll take these trades like 10 times out of 10. This just was one of the ones that didn't work out. So the market gave us the engulfing. I entered after the engulfing, stop loss under came and took us out. Um, I still feel like there could be an opportunity to re-enter this trade again because the market is still over here. Maybe the market wants to come and give us like a left head, right shoulder, or some sort of like reversal formation around this area. I think I just got into the party a little bit too early. So I'm still going to be monitoring this pair this week to see if the market still wants to move in our direction, and I'm going to be jumping in again if it does that. Now for the trades I missed, GBP card was oof, so clean, so clean. It was so clean. Um, Market was obviously bullish. If you look over here, market has been bullish for a while, broke out of this resistance, came back, retested this level, rejected the EMA. On the 4 hour, it gave us like this double bottom, one bottom, second bottom, breakout, retest. I was literally waiting for this. And he gave us this engulfing. I was paying more attention to the was it Euro GBP? Yeah, the break even trade I took. I was paying more attention to the Euro GBP, and that was why I didn't take this one. I had this on my watch list. I was watching this for like from Tuesday, but I was paying more attention to Euro GBP, and I got when I saw the trade, it had already given me the entry treatment, and I think the trade was somewhere around here where I saw the trade and it had already gone. I didn't want to chase the market, but it was just so painful to watch. And the card pairs, like I'll show you the next one. AUD card, similar situation. Market came back to a level of support and gave us left head, right shoulder, breakouts, retest. The only reason why I didn't enter the AUD card was look at the retest over here. If you see Euro GBP, you see that the market pulled back into this level and gave us an entry down here. This market just, I think it was a news move on Thursday, just came, tapped it and went and moved rapidly. So I couldn't get into this one, but I was definitely going to get into this one after I missed the trade on GBP card. Yeah, the NZD card is a similar situation. Market came, broke out of this left head, kind of right shoulder. We tested. This was on Friday. Yes, this was on Friday. I took Euro NZD, so I couldn't take this one. So there was a lot of opportunities last week. Unfortunately, I was able to catch just one win, but hopefully this week, we continue. I think I'm beginning to get get back into the rhythm of catching my trades. Um, I was in a long spell of losing streak, but right now I'm at least last week was a profitable week, and I hope that we keep you building upon that. So for the rest trades for the week, I'll just go ahead and turn off the trades I took last week from my watch list. I'll focus on the trades for this week. GBP AUD. I was also interested in GBP AUD, but I also didn't get to take the trade. I think this was also on Friday. This happened on Friday as well. Yeah. But this week, I don't know. I feel like the trade has already happened. The trade has already happened. Mm, yeah, the trade has already happened. But if the market should pull back into this level, I'll be looking for bearish presence over here to try to catch the move to the downside once again. So bearish on GBP AUD. AUD CHF, I also missed this one, but let me just turn this one off as well. This would have been a break-even trade, by the way. See this red bar? This is how I track my trades. GBP NZD. I'm bullish on GBP NZD. I'm also bullish on AUD NZD. On Friday I took AUD NZD, but GBP NZD also set up, nicely. And this coming week, I'm going to be seeing if we're going to be having if this double bottom is going to be holding one bottom, push up, second bottom, maybe break and close above this double bottom. Then we're going to be looking for buys. But I'm bullish on GBP NZD, and that's how I'll be looking to play GBP NZD. Also, AUD NZD, I'm also bullish, but the market has actually broken below this, so this I want to look for left, probably head, right shoulder. If I look for buys on AUD NZD. Euro USD, I'm bearish on Euro USD. I'm bearish on Euro USD, and I'm going to be anticipating price pull back into this level. Look for entry signal around this region to look for sales to the downside. Yeah. Next pair, Euro AUD. Now Euro AUD, I think this has this looks a little bit cleaner than GBP AUD. I'm going to be anticipating price. I don't know what's here right now. I'm expecting the price action to pull back into this level. I will look for shorts this area to the downside. CAD JPY. Now the NPS are in a really tricky situation. They are at a level at an area of resistance. Okay. I have this arrow pointing here because the market is closer to support. If the market should break below the support retest, I'll be looking for shorts to the downside. However, until the market will break out of let me the market will also break out retest. I'll be looking for buys. So my action will be dependent on what the market does in this area. Either it breaks below or it breaks above. I'll be engaging accordingly. Euro JPY, same analysis. As the market take out this resistance or take out this support. NZD JPY, same analysis. Take out support or take out resistance. AUD JPY, same analysis. Take out resistance or take out support. Either way, that's where I'll be trading towards. But as you know, until the market takes out either of these levels, I'm just going to be observing going to be waiting for the market to actually give us the direction it wants to break into before joining the trend and trading in that direction. CHFJPO has actually broken above, you know, resistance. So um, I'm going to be anticipating a pullback and looking for longs to the upside. With the pressure of CHFGPY out, favor the breakout to happen to the upside. You know, I'm not really, I'm not predicting the market. I'm just going to be waiting to react. But seeing the pressure from CHFGPY kind of gives you the idea of what the market could potentially do, and that is it could potentially break towards the upside. So I'm going to be monitoring for that. But if the market still breaks below, I'm going to be trading in that direction nonetheless. NZDJPY, I'm bearish on NZDUSD. I'm bearish on NZDUSD. Um, Anticipating the market to pull back into this level before looking for shorts to the downside. This was a previous level of support that could potentially use as resistance. So the market should pull back into this level. I'll be looking for shorts to the downside. And I feel like that's all the pairs on the FX side. Eurocard didn't quite give us the pullback like the rest of the pairs, so I wasn't able to catch a trade on this pair. Let's go over to the indices. The indices moved pretty um, nicely this previous week. It moved like very beautifully. It broke out, retested, rejected. I think the entry should have been on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, because this happened by during Asian session. We don't trade during Asian session. This should have been the entry over here during London entry, stop loss, TP. So it goes without saying, I'm still bullish on the US 30, but the trade obviously has played out. So we'd either be waiting for the markets to pull back into this level or have a pullback, a breakout, a retest. SPX 500 also moved beautifully. A breakout, a retest. I think this also happens during Asian session. So the trade would have happened around London, somewhere here. Entry stop loss below, target above. US oil was the only one that didn't give us like clean entries. US oil pulled back into this level, but never gave us like an entry uh, uh engulfing or something like that. It just came and made like a V-shaped type recovery, came quick bounce and started pushing to the upside. Um, NAS 100, NAS 100 as well. The price action, it gave us like this like double bottom over here, breakout, but the retest of the double bottom wasn't the cleanest, so I can't confidently say, oh, this is a trade that would have caught because it broke back below the area. So I'll probably have not gotten involved with this one. But the US 30 and the SPX 500, if you're just following the strategy, following the plan, they're really clean ones to have gotten entries on. Bitcoin. I spoke about Bitcoin last week, about the targets for Bitcoin at this level. Beautifully, if you can see, the market came, took out the targets, and came back down to support. I'll go back to the time frame. It's much cleaner here. The market came, was spiked up, took out the daily time frame. I also spoke about this level as one that we could potentially be looking for buys from. but the market came, violated this level, came back to support, bounced up again from this level, and the market is playing around this level once again. Um, let's see. Uh, Honestly, to take any trades from this ash level, because the market has given us like a double bottom over here, a close above, but I don't like how the price action around this level. So I would much rather like to see the market push up, maybe on the 4 hour time frame, break above these highs, retest, reject, then see buys to this level. I'm bullish on this pair. I just don't like the price action, how the price action is moving, right now. So I would like to see the market, validate this level by, giving us strong bullish momentum to break above these highs. We retest, reject, then we can look for buys from this level up to this point. So that's all the pairs we're going to be looking at for the week. Do well to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Um, I'll be, I would like to look at them and see how I could be able to answer the questions. Um, share the video with your trader friends and family, and I'll catch you guys in the very next video. Bye for now.